touchscreen, convertible, and right now it's not in a good shape. The screen doesn't work, the hinge is worn out, and using it like this just feels awkward. But the computer itself still works, and that's the part I care about. Instead of buying one, I decided to build it from this. So the first step was taking the laptop apart, just to see what was there, what could stay, and what had to go. I needed a clear use for this machine, something it could do well. For me, that ended up being movies. I still have a projector, and it makes sense to have a computer that lives next to it. Once the internal frame was finalized, the laptop stopped feeling like a laptop and started feeling like a small desktop PC. This machine has a clear purpose. It's for movies and basic use. It's about not throwing away something that still works. It's about taking a mass manufactured object and slowly making it personal, from the operating system to the internals to the enclosure. This used to be a laptop trying to do everything. Now it's a small PC with one clear job, and for me, that's enough.